Valence is a commune in southeastern France, the capital of the Drôme department and within the Auvergne-Rhône Alps region. It is situated on the left bank of the Rhône, about 100 kilometers south of Lyon, along the railway line that runs from Paris to Marseille. It is the 8th largest city in the region by its population, with 63,714 registered inhabitants in 2017. The city of Valence is divided into 4 cantons. Its inhabitants are called Valentinois. Located in the heart of the Rhône corridor, Valence is often referred to as the door to the south of France. The local saying "Et Valence le midi commence" pays tribute to the city's southern culture. Between Vercors and Provence, its geographical location attracts many tourists. Axes of transport and communications are the A7 and A49 autoroutes, the RN7, Paris-Marseille TGV line, as well as the Rhône. In addition, the Valence agglomeration is equipped with a marina, a trading port, 2 railway stations and an airport. Its business is essentially turned towards the sectors of agriculture, metallurgy, engineering and electronics. The commune, founded in 121 BC, after the invasion of Gallia Narbonensis by the Romans, it moved quickly to become the largest crossroad behind Lyon. With its growing importance, Valence gained the status of Roman colony. Over the centuries, the town grew and grew. Today, many vestiges of the Middle Ages, Renaissance, but also from the 17th century, 18th century and 19th century are visible in the city center. The city is historically attached to the Dauphiné, of which it forms the second largest city after Grenoble and is today part of the network of French towns and lands of art and history. Formerly the Duchy of Valentinois, it was ruled by the Duke of Valentinois, a title which is still claimed by the sovereign Prince of Monaco, though he has no actual administrative control over the area. Monuments in Valence include the Maison des Têtes, built between 1528 and 1532 by Antoine de Daun, the Saint Apollinaire Cathedral, built between 1063 and 1099 under the leadership of Bishop Gontard, and also the monumental fountain, designed by the architect Eugène Poitou. The city has many historical monuments, most of which are in Vieux Valence. Inscribed on the list of flowery towns and villages of France, Valence is one of the 17 municipalities of the Rhône Alps region to be labeled for flowers by the Concours des Villes et Villages Fleuris, i.e. the maximum level. By its geographical location, Valence is one of the points of compulsory passage between Paris and the Mediterranean Sea. Its position at the center of the meridian axis of the Rhône Valley places the city at the mouth of the valley of the Isère to the southeast of Paris, equidistant south of Lyon and southwest of Grenoble, 120 kilometers north of Montpellier, 110 kilometers north of Montélimar, 40 kilometers to the east of Privas and 65 kilometers to the west of Die. Located a few kilometers south of the 45th parallel, the city is often referred to as the gateway to southern France. Et Valence le midi commence, say people from the north. The agglomeration is based on 4 alluvial terraces ranging on the left bank of the Rhône. Administratively, the commune is located in the south of the Auvergne-Rhône Alps region, in the northern half of the Drôme department, which includes 7 Drôme and Ardèche communes from 1990 to 2009. and of the agglomeration community of Valence Sud-Rhône Alps, which consisted of 11 communes from 2009 to 2014. The area of the commune is 3,669 hectares. The granitic base, cut by the Rhône in the Saint-Vallier, Hermitage Pass, is covered by 4,000 meters of sediments in the Valence Trough. In the Miocene, a molasse formed of detrital rocks due to the erosion of the Alps in the Massif Central was deposited in a shallow sea. Its thickness can reach 400 to 500 meters. During the Pliocene, the sea was reduced into a lake, resulting in lacustrine deposits and loess formation. During the Quaternary, between glacial periods, moraines were swept away by the meltwater in the interglacial stages and were carved by the rivers. Thus, nested terraces were formed. These nested terraces of Isère and Rhône eventually filled the gap of Valence. The Drme des Collines, which integrates Valence, formed at the end of the Miocene. Under the effect of the alpine thrust, the area was covered by a lake and fluvio-lacustrine molasse formed with a few ripples in the plain of Valence. The confluence of the Isère and Rhône and fluvial erosion caused by their waters in the Quaternary formed 4 superimposed terraces which are located in Valence. Valence is watered by the Rhône River. The commune is on the left bank. One of its tributaries also crosses the city. The Epervier, a 2.6 km long river, formed by the joining of most of the city's channels. Among others, the city gave its name to a well-defined geographical region. The Vie